Hi, this is Erica. Would you like to import external submission data into your Jodoo account? Today, let me show you how. Bringing local data to Jodoo might sound complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's say we have a local inventory spreadsheet that you've been maintaining in Excel. Now, you want to bring that data into Jodoo to manage your inventory online and make your workflow more efficient. We can go straight to your workspace, find your inventory app, get into your app, and click the plus button to create a form. You'll see options to start from scratch or create from Excel. I'm going to go ahead and choose Create from Excel. Simply drag and drop to bring your file in, and Jodoo will automatically process and display your data. If you have multiple worksheets, you can switch to the one you need. Jodoo will list everything inside under the header column. Click any columns to change the header as you like. Make sure everything looks good, and let's move ahead. It's time to map your columns to the appropriate field types. This step is crucial but straightforward because Jodoo automates most of the work for you. Still, it is customizable. You can change it to fit your needs before moving on. For example, the asset ID here is mapped to single line, which works perfectly for short text. We can leave it this way. As for the assigned user or owner column, you can change it to member, so it will link with your team members in Jodoo. Just like this, you can map the columns to field type that best fits the data. After reviewing your mappings, don't forget to name your form and assign it to a group if you have one. Once everything is set, go ahead and import the data. Just like this, you can see your form is created, and all of your data is officially in Jodoo. You can now manage your inventory online in your Jodoo app effortlessly. See? It really is as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to import your external data into Jodoo, let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video or find it helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notifications every time we put out a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.